In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add optional line items in Proposify. Optional line items are perfect for presenting add-ons and upgrades without overwhelming your client. They let buyers tailor a package to their needs while keeping your pricing transparent and flexible. Here's how to set that up from start to finish. Begin by opening a new browser window and searching for Proposify. From the results, select the official Proposify site so you're in the right place. Once you're there, log in with your account. After you sign in, you'll land on the Documents tab, which is the hub for everything you're working on. Locate the proposal you want to update. This is the document where you'll add optional choices for your client. Click the proposal's name to open it, and you'll move into the editor. Inside the proposal or template editor, look to the right-hand side and select the Content tab. This is where you'll find all the building blocks you can add to your document. Within the Content tab, scroll to the Tables section and find the Pricing table block. This is the component that handles itemized pricing, totals, and calculations. Drag the pricing table onto your document canvas and place it exactly where you want your pricing to appear. You can position it within your layout so it flows naturally with your content. Click into a cell in the table to add the details for a line item. Enter the item name, quantity, and price. The subtotal will calculate based on the quantity and price, helping ensure the math is consistent and accurate. Clear naming and units here make it easier for clients to understand what they're selecting. With a line selected, look again to the right sidebar for additional settings. You'll see options for adding columns to the left or right, inserting rows above or below, and copying or deleting sections for headers, body rows, and footers. Most importantly, you'll see a toggle labeled Optional Row. This is the key to creating selectable add-ons. Turn on Optional Row for the line items you want clients to choose from. When this is enabled, the item becomes optional for your client, and the proposal's total will automatically update based on their selections. This gives buyers control over extras like support packages, expedited timelines, or additional services without changing your core offer. That's it. You've added a pricing table and made specific line items optional so your clients can customize their proposal and see accurate totals instantly. Use this approach to present flexible packages that feel tailored and professional.